I'm Zoe, your AI host at AI Pro Photography. Let's talk about the words that make an AI image look like a real photo. Photorealistic AI prompts are the difference between an image that screams AI and one a viewer mistakes for a real photograph. The trick is not a magic word, it's describing the picture the way a photographer would set it up. Real photographs share a set of physical fingerprints, a believable depth of field so the subject is sharp and the background falls away, directional light with real shadows, lens character, and imperfection, skin texture, stray hairs, a touch of grain. The default AI look fails on exactly these: too clean, too even, too perfect. So how do you write photorealistic AI prompts? Brief the model like a shoot. Describe the subject and setting, the camera and lens, the aperture, and the light. Shot on an 85mm at f1.8 gives you that soft background. The surprise? Fewer hype words, not more. Terms like 8K and hyper-realistic often push a model toward an over-sharpened, plainly fake render. Prompt for the mundane and you get the real. Then fix the fingerprints that remain. Ask for natural skin texture, an off-center composition, and repair the eyes and hands in an editor. We put the rest of this to the test at aiprophotography.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and we'll see you in the next one.